How are this? Check up.
Stop!
How are that?
Don't take off my boobs. My butt. What up, guys? It's your boy Jesse, and today we're about to prank Whitney. Alright, so she wanted to, she just did that thing talking about she won't attract to me no more, right? So now we finna tell her, we'll prank her and say we gay. Hey, put on some of her clothes, y'all, and let's see how she feel. I'm not attracted to you no more. What if I say I'm attracted to men? Which I'm not, just saying, but it'll be funny. So let's see. We gotta find out some clothes to put on because I don't know what to wear. I'm gonna wear some of her clothes though, but I don't even know what I want to put on. So let's find out. I don't know. Can't fit that. Crap. Hey, I think I found a winner, y'all. Let's try this on. Oh, it's ripping. I got it. This is weird, y'all. Oh, this thing is tight too. Alright, I kind of found a fit. What y'all think? That's good? Convincing? Oh, crap. I ripped it a little bit, so she's gonna be mad. I gotta hurry up. Dang, messed my hair up. I gotta hurry up. She had went to Aldi's real quick to grab some stuff, so I don't got much time left. I need boobs. Boobs. What can I throw on? Oh, I can use her shirts for boobs. Here's one shirt. Here's two shirts. Okay. Alright. I tried a couple different outfits, y'all, and I chose this one. So let's see how it goes. See, I got me doing some weird stuff, man. I better get some likes for this video. This is so weird, man. I found some shoes. Let's put them on. Got these shoes on. Shit, I ain't got time. She here. Let's see her response, y'all. She about to come. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
That's what I want to tell you. I'm a lesbian.
What?
I'm a gay.
Why the fuck you got on my dress?
I'm a gay lesbian, okay? I just want you to know that. And this feels so right. What's so funny?
Jessie,
What's so
why can't I have my clothes?
Because it feels right. And I want you to know that.
What feel right?
This feels right.
But look at your top and shape bad, but this feel right. And you what can make?
Nope.
What do you mean now?
I want you to know.
Your body fat though. And you what can make?
No.
You serious?
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe that.
Why not? No, I love it. What's so funny? You don't accept me?
That's how what that?
You accept me?
Except your what?
Being
Except what?
Being a gay lesbian.
Jessie, go take off my clothes and stop playing. You think that look good?
Yeah. You gonna like it?
Go take off my something. I'm gonna know what that.
No, I'm wearing this all day.
Where are we all day? Go which part?
All day.
You not gonna with me in a that.
Why not?
Yeah, girl?
I was born a woman.
Jessie, go take off my clothes for me and have things.
Right.
Go take off my clothes before me and have things.
You jealous?
How what this? Check up.
Stop!
How what that?
Don't take off my boobs. My butt. My butt.
Stop playing. Go take off my stuff.
No, you gotta accept me.
Accept what?
Accept me being a gay lesbian.
Go take off my something then.
Stop! You can't take my boobs.
So if you like, you say I'm a gay lesbian, what that mean?
That means I'm a woman and I like woman.
That not gonna work.
It is.
It not gonna work.
Why not?
Because me not like man we just look like woman.
So.
It not gonna
Don't
work.
you like me though?
This is not you.
This is me.
That's not you.
This fit good.
Jessie,
I like the way it squeezed my side.
go take off my something. Go take it off for me and have things.
No. Mine.
Say if you say it look good.
Yep.
Go take off my something. Come, get up. Go take
Stop.
off it. Go take off it.
Stop.
Boy, you want to woman. Yeah.
Those are
Take
mine.
off it.
Stop.
Take off my something, Jessie.
Move. Mine. Back up. You can't hit me.
Go take off my something.
You cannot hit me. Move.
Jessie, I'm not laughing you. Go take it off.
You cannot put your hands on women.
So this is the day I do when time I go on road. And them something in here do when I go on road, you put on my clothes.
Yep.
My name bite for me and you take it off.
Stop.
Me not deal with no man who are dressed
Why
like
you
a
hit
girl.
me?
Take off my something.
You are so unladylike. Stop hitting me. Move.
Jessie.
That's unladylike. You cannot be hitting me.
What? This is not pum-pum. This is not vagina where you have. This is a penis. You're not a fucking woman. Take off my clothes.
Why do you keep hitting me?
Take off my clothes.
I'm gonna scream rape.
Then I can scream rape if you want. I will come help you. Oh. Go take.
Stop.
Jessie, take off my.
You're exposing me.
Take off my something.
You expose.
Take it off.
Okay, alright.
Take off my something. Boy, you want to gay lesbian. You're a fucking idiot. Take off my something. You can't touch
Okay,
this
alright.
with
Alright.
cocky, with that. You can't touch this
Alright,
with
listen.
penis.
It's a prank, okay? It's a prank. It's a prank.
Don't fucking play with me.
You gotta help me out this though. This thing is tight.
Nobody never tell us to put it on.
Alright. Hey y'all, I got her. Look. I got her, y'all. Look at her. You salty. How you feel?
Leave me alone.
You mad? You big mad?
You need to go take out the water them out of the trunk. Go take out the case of water them. Our back.
How you feel, babe? You don't want me to be a gay lesbian? You don't like that? You don't like that? Look at her. That's the
move out of my face.
You just mad.
You play too much.
Jealous.
Move.
You jealous. Man, I'm stuck though. I really gonna need your help getting out of this. I need help getting out of this thing. And it ripped a little bit too.
Oh yeah, Jessie, I go buy about me something.
I'm sorry.
Me never wear that yet, you know. Me never wear my dress yet. I stretch out it with
This
a big old thick
This
self.
the only thing I can fit. It's the only thing I can fit.
You stretch out me something with your big old thick self. Oh my. You go buy about me something.
Alright.
And my mother give me that too.
Oh, she mad. She's just...
Yes, me I go call her right now and show her where you have on. Me I call her now.
Alright guys, hey, I better get some likes for this video, alright? I got these tight old clothes on. And I'm doing all this. So y'all better like, subscribe, and share, alright? And she still got that look of shame, that salty face. Because I'm sexy. As a gay lesbian. Ah, stop. Alright. Alright y'all. Until next time.